make your TikTok bio links clickable that helps you to gain a lot of sales is actually a very good idea on how you can do it. What you need to do is just simple go on your TikTok app. You can open it regardless of it's Android or anything. Now go to edit profile section. After going to the profile in the right left corner, right top bottom corner, you can see on the edit profile icon. Just click there. After clicking it, you can see change your video, change your photo, username and stuff. Just below the bio, you can see your bio. You can add links in the bio, but sometimes clicks doesn't work on the bio's link. So you can do is add your social. You can see on the below that social. Click there. You can add your Instagram, YouTube, another profile in simple step. So this was how you can add your TikTok links in such small time. You can even add the link in bio too if that works for you. So yeah, it's a two-way step. You can do anything that you want to use. TikTok is a great platform to share your short videos, just like Instagram Reels. TikTok is much more early than Reels and stuff, so it's a much more broader audience. And I'll see you in the next one.